Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Shopify to Instagram. First of all you have to do is open your admin page of Shopify store. From here, what you have to do is click on the Add Apps, which is on the left side. Click on Add Apps. Click on Shopify App Store, which is on the bottom of this window. Click on Shopify App Store, a new tab will open. Now you are in the Shopify App Store. What you have to do is simply click on the top search bar and search for Facebook and Instagram. On the search result, you'll be able to see Facebook and Instagram. You have to make sure it is posted by Meta. Click on Facebook and Instagram. This page will open. From here, you'll be able to see it is free to install. All you have to do is click on this install button over here. A new tab will open once again. From here, you have to simply click on install once again. Once it's installed, you'll be able to see Facebook and Instagram is now showing on your admin page. Simply click on Get Started. Now, connect your Facebook account to get started. Click on Connect Account and click on Confirm Your Account. Click on Allow. Now you can also add in your business portfolio. You can create new. Click on Save. And then you have to create Meta Pixel, create new, and click on Confirm. Accept the terms and conditions and submit for review. Now Facebook Meta will review your application. Once it's approved, you'll be able to connect your Instagram account, your Facebook account, which is also linked to your Instagram account. Once it's completed, you can see run ads on Facebook and Instagram. It is now active. If I click on create ad, it will ask me that whether I want to run my ad on Instagram or Facebook. And that's simply how you can connect your Shopify store to Instagram and Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.